If you've got one of the new Elgato XL prompters or actually used one of the original prompters, you may have found on some occasions that depending what type of material you're viewing in your prompter, if it's got a white background and your brightness is rather high on the prompter itself, it can have a lot of glare, a lot of flare in the image, which means it's difficult for you to see, and also it affects the camera image itself because you're getting this light spill from the screen hitting the reflective glass and then going into your camera. There's not a lot you can do with the actual prompter itself apart from turning down the brightness, making sure that what you have in your image is on a dark background and so on. But if you are in a pinch and you really want to try and eliminate as much of this glare as possible, then let me recommend to you using something called a polariser filter. That is a small filter that screws on the front of your camera lens. This is really effective and it's used in photography and videography for stopping reflections if you're trying to film through the windscreen of a car, for example, or reflective sea or river or anything that has sunlight that could be bouncing and reflecting. It's really effective, and let me just show you a real quick demo of the before and after using one of these CP filters. So you can see in my prompter here, I've got this white screen and you can see the effect it has actually on the image. So I'm just using the circular polarizer filter that's screwed to the front of my lens. I'm just actually turning that polarizer filter around until I get the image how I want. Basically, it's just stopping all the reflections coming through on the glass. And if I turn it around the other way, you can see that it slowly brings all that glare back to the image. Just one thing to mention, if you do use one of the CP filters or a standard polarizer, you are going to have to compensate for your exposure purely because it's going to add some contrast and darken the image slightly. So all I did was bump up my ISO and maybe tune some of the exposure settings on my camera to get the exposure exactly how I want. But that's just one thing you have to keep in mind if you do put any type of filter on your lens. So as you can see, it's really effective. Again, I'm using a circular polarizer filter, which means I can turn the filter on the front to really dial in where the most of the glare is going to be on the camera and then how I can actually remove that. There's lots of ones out there from Newer, from Polar Pro, from all kinds of manufacturers. I'll leave a link in the description to the one that I'm using. It's not the cheapest, but there are others available as well, and I'll give you a couple of other links. Hope this helps you out if you are experiencing glare on the prompter. And this is not just the Elgato prompter that has this problem, it's many other prompters on the markets as well. Hopefully that helps you out.